So, Namaste students. So, again we came back to our topic Namaste, Namaskar, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, anything. Whenever you are looking this video is good for you. Whenever you are looking this video and if you are studying now it's very good. It is very good. You will get very good marks in IIT. Okay, this is the IIT portion. Okay, IIT JEE portion. Okay, IIT JEE portion. This is, so if you want you can please learn. Okay, so then quadratic equations. Now we are going to cover more topics. So the topics is common roots, number of roots. Okay. So common roots, what does common root says? Now common roots, there can exist three types of common roots. Both are common, one is common, and nothing is common. So let the two equations be a1x square plus b1x plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x square plus b2x plus c2 is equal to 0. So these two equations you can see. So now if both the roots are common, means then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Apati? Poyachu. Eppudan. 15 minutes munadi.
Fried rice சூடு பண்ணி வைக்கிறேன். சூடு பண்ணி போட்டு கொடுத்துட்டா
கொஞ்ச நேரம் ஆகட்டும். So now no common roots when they don't follow first condition and second condition. So these two are the first condition and second condition. Both the conditions when they don't follow, then they are considered no common. Now what if only one common is there? Okay, just please note this down. I'll explain one common. For one common you have to leave a lot of space, okay? Because it's a very big explanation. So now if 10th standard people may have learned linear equations in two variables. So alpha square, alpha 1. So b1, c1, a1, b1, b2, c2, a2, b2. So now cross multiplication. Linear equation in two variables you have to think it as. So then you will get alpha square by, no, so alpha square is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And alpha is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, so this one is the two roots. So now alpha square by alpha we will get it as alpha, right? So now we will divide these two. So alpha, so this one will get cancelled. So our new roots is alpha is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Then alpha, then we'll take our normal value which is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let me drink some water, okay? Water. Where I kept my water? I think I kept it outside. Welcome students, sorry. I'm sure many of you people may have fast forward the video until my teaching part. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so now both of them are equal. So I can do cross multiplication. I can write c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 minus b2 c1 into a1 b2 minus a2 b1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the condition for one common root. Okay, this is common roots. Okay, wrote this? Yes. So now number of roots. So when delta is greater than 0, then two real roots. When delta is equal to 0, there is one real root. Whenever delta is less than 0, then 0 real roots. Okay, or no real roots. So we'll just write in here no real roots. Okay, so this is the overall explanation about common roots. Okay, so now if I'll give you a recapitulation. So common roots, whenever we give given two equations, the number of roots common can either be three cases. Two roots are common, one root is common, or no root is common. So when the both root are common, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then one root is common if c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 b2 c1 into a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And when both the conditions are not satisfied, then no root is common. Then if delta is greater than 0, then two real roots exist. If delta is equal to 0, one real root exists, and when delta is less than 0, no real root exists. Okay. So this is the equation. So this is the explanation of today's concept. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaskar.